Hey friends, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making 2-ingredient peanut butter fudge. And the primary reason I'm trying this, I originally saw this on Emmy Made's channel. And I have a family member that can't have dairy. So making, traditional fudge can be a little difficult. I want them to be able to partake in the Christmas treats and the holiday treats. So I thought, well, I'll give this a try. And that way they can enjoy all of the goodies just like everybody else. Basically, this recipe is just peanut butter and plain old cake frosting like you buy from the store. Funny enough, some brands of cake frosting are vegan. So, dairy-free is the way to go here. All you're going to do, I'm making a double batch so that I can leave some here at the house for the kids. But I went ahead and I weighed my peanut butter out, but it's just a standard size jar of peanut butter and 1 container of frosting, 16 ounce, I think. Doesn't matter what brand. If you want this to be chocolate peanut butter fudge, you could get the chocolate frosting. I just went with vanilla because I thought that would taste really nice. So I'm just going to microwave this. When you microwave this, make sure that you have all the aluminum foil off of the top of the frosting container, or you're going to have a disco and a very exciting day going on inside of your microwave. So I'm going to go ahead and get these in the microwave until they're completely soft, melted, and then I'll be back. Okay, so we've got our frosting all melted, and basically the only instructions were add the frosting, mix, and then pour it in your pan. So that's what we're gonna do. And I guess if this is a fail, we fail together. I'm gonna use these little silicone molds for my gift baskets. And then whatever's left, I'm going to just pour in a glass pan for the family that's here in this house. And yet again, I stand here saying, Jennifer, I think you needed a bigger bowl. We'll do the best we can with this, I suppose. I'm just gonna start folding it in until it's all mixed together. All right, just a word of warning, this stuff sets up really fast. I was not prepared. So all I'm gonna do is use my little ice cream scoop. Kind of pack it down into this. Obviously that's more than 1 serving, but it'll be cute. I guess that's like the first pancake. The first one's always ugly. And then they get cuter as you go. Learning curve. I'll come back with the spoon in just a minute and smooth them down. I just want them to kind of pick up the pattern on the bottom of the silicone mold. The little ridges. Now when Emmy did this, she just used, like a 8x8 pan, but I don't have one. And like I said, I thought that the lines on the bottom of these silicone molds would be really cute. I also have some rectangular ones that I'm going to use. And then whatever's left, I'm just, like I said, going to put in a regular old glass casserole dish. And then once these have completely set up, come back and I'll show you what they look like. These remind me, the texture of them, of the peanut butter Halloween candy that you used to get in like the black and orange wax papers. Gosh, I probably just told everybody how old I am. That's what these remind me of, with just the texture of them. So we'll see if they set up. But yeah, I'll get this all done, get everything in the pan. I'm gonna put them in the refrigerator to chill, and then when they've set up, I'll be back and show you what they look like. I let this fudge cure in the refrigerator, just get nice and cold overnight. And I just wanted to cut it real quick and show you. It does set up really nicely. Some of the kids taste tested this already, and they said it's very creamy, almost like it's been whipped. So that's nice. It's not like a traditional fudge. It's really light. It's kind of hard to describe, but it does cut nicely, and it holds up, and it's really light, and when you eat it, it just kind of melts away. The ones in the silicone cups did really well. I think next time I do this, I'll get smaller cups and make just little bite-sized pieces. Even the rectangular ones did really well, so I'm just going to put these in paper cupcake liners just so they look a little cuter in the gift boxes. But yeah, super easy. Definitely want to move fast though, because like I said, it sets up a lot faster than I was expecting it to. But I'm pretty pleased with how it turned out. I really hope that you give this a try. If you're still here, if you made it all the way to the end of this chaotic video, leave me a comment. Let me know if you think you might give this a try. I want to thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys next week.